Hi, my name is Brett Huffman. I'm a software developer here at BankServe, and we're going to be going through the mobile app today. We'll be answering questions like, what do you do when it rings, and how do you complete orders? Anyway, we thank you for being part of the network, and let's get started.
So your first question might be, how do you get the app in the first place? Well, you can go to bankserve.net and click on the mobile app tab. And then there are two links near the bottom, which will allow you to click on and download it right to your device. You can go to either the iPhone App Store or the Android Google Play Store and download them right from there. Once you've got the app, now you need to log in. You do that with the username and PIN. The username comes from BankServe when you first sign up. It's the same username you use for the website. The PIN is special though. It comes from logging into the website and then going to the My Profiles area. You'll see a button on the left-hand side that says Change Mobile PIN. Click that and you can enter the PIN, and that'll be what you use here. Once you've logged in successfully, you're at the home screen, and we'll explain that in the next video.